Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candice. Thanks for tuning in. We're sitting here in my kitchen again because we're doing an unboxing of a haul. Now this one I'm actually super excited about. I've seen it like on Facebook and stuff before, and I was always wondering like what it actually was like. Without further ado, I bring to you the FabFitFun. Yeah, this is the quarterly subscription box, but yeah, I've already peeked inside in all honesty, but we'll just open it up again for you guys. So when you open it up, it has a little message here, Taste of Summer. This one's obviously the summer themed box. The boxes come themed for the seasons, I believe. And they just send you a big ass fucking magazine. At the back of this magazine, there's a lot of promo codes as well, which I will link in the description below. So it's to like Tarte Cosmetics and other stuff like that. And some of them are up to like 50% off. So like hit up the codes in my description box below. Make sure you hit the big like and subscribe button and keep on watching if you want to find out what's inside. And this is what it looks like. How cute is that? OMG, like what? So I'm noticing that their products are generally themed between like beauty, athletics, and something like fun on the side. Usually something like electronic related, but we'll see. The first thing that I noticed was the Tarte Pro Glow Palette, and I actually already have one of these, if you guys know. And if you guys do know, I used all my colors, so I'm so excited. Oh my god, I literally am living, breathing, dying. The next thing I noticed was this little ring, and it's so cute. It's literally so cute. That's actually pretty cute though, like that. And we're gonna put this one to the side. Next, we have something from Pure One Imports. It's made in China. It's actually this cute little like dish, and I guess it's to like put your rings and stuff on. But it's got that like marble-esque kind of feel to it. So like, how fucking cute is that? Literally gonna go in my bathroom, gonna keep my jewelry on it. Like, I see what they did there. These two go very well together. Next, we have the Kula Sport Classic Sunscreen. It's moisturizer and yeah, it's organic skincare. It just comes in a bottle like this. Over here we have the Orlando Pita Play Hair Protection Spray, and I just ran out of this too, so like how lucky is that? The ultimate preheat styling with 10 incredible benefits. We'll go into that after. I'll probably do a review, maybe not. I'll let you guys know. Now here is where the exercise stuff comes into play. Literally, this is the Maja Sports. It's like one of those tensor thingies. So if you go to this website, then they have created workout videos for you with fitness trainers Giovanni Villa and Eva Burkhart. But yeah, probably not gonna put this one to good use. Next thing I'm a little intrigued by. I can't really see what it is, but it says something about the App Store and Google Play. I don't even know what this does, but it says get smart about your skin, know it perfect, love it, measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, and app records programs. What the? I think it's supposed to like clean your pores. Oh my god, this is like the coolest thing I've ever seen. And the last thing they sent us is something that I do not need because I already have so many of them. You know what? I could always use another makeup bag. It's pretty cute. It's from Yumi Kim. We're just gonna stuff everything inside. That is all that they sent us. They also sent me a straw. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm actually so excited about this. Like, that was so cool. Definitely gonna have some fun with these products. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna be doing some reviews most likely on all these products that I just got. Most likely this one. So what it is the FFFXFOREO Luna Fofo. We're gonna try it and see how she goes. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the big like and subscribe button before you go. Bye! I'm so confused.